Okay, I am going through my boxes and I'm looking for some stuff that we haven't done anything with for some time. This is a 6119 8100. It is from April 1968. It has a 6119A movement inside, which is correct. The 6119As, the big deal with them is that they have two screws on the holding the balance, the winding weight on, and they don't have any diafix settings. They instead have two extra jewels underneath the calendar wheel. They also have only a single language, in this case English. It's got some patina on the dial loom, but I have just gone through and I serviced everything. It's got lower jewel. The train is fully jeweled. It's got lower mainspring arbor is jeweled. The case is fully cleaned. I did all the stuff I normally do, but it actually, besides the servicing, didn't really need much else. Like, it didn't have any repairs that I needed to do. That's the base metal case, and it's definitely got some wear, but believe me, I have seen far, far worse. So this one definitely got some moisture in it over the years, but not a ton. And it's got a nice even patina, which is good. There's only a few pieces on here. I'm not quite sure how this handset got spared. There's definitely some hazing on the hands here, just in the middle, and it's not something that I can really remove. But it's a nice piece. Again, fully serviced, ready to go. Nice survivor. Nice survivor. Especially now that it's all serviced. Clean and original. Well, these are really cool, but I mean, I already have one in the box, and so this one was sitting in the safe, and I don't need two of them. And that's what they're supposed to look like. That is what they look like. That is what they look like. Cool. Okay, well, give me an email if you're looking for one.